Hi, everyone. This is Shah, and welcome to my MVP demonstration for the minor of data driven and decision making course. In this course, I'll show the AI powered text to diagram generator which I built entirely inside this Jupyter notebook. But before dive into this, what inspired me to do this project, my idea comes from one of the assigned videos which shows AI model extracting structured knowledge from messy text. So then I realized this could solve a real problem. Most organized rely on unstructured document and also I would say important information that is buried from inside paragraph. So I wanted to build a simple AI tools that reads a project description and turn it into a visual diagram. That's the core idea behind building my MVP. So now let's dive into my Jupyter notebook, and then I'm going to show you the process how I start making what I need to import. So initially I install and import this notebook contains only for this MVP pipeline. So here you can see all the imports. So you can see LangChain, also you can see the periodic for scheming validation, NetworkX for graph building, and Matplot for the visualization. Also, before doing this, I need to put a Google API key, which I generate from Google AI Studio. So I open from here, and then I just copy from the API key. So without API key, it's never going to happen. And then for the second thing, I also do schema definitions, which is really need to this notebook contains for this are the pyramid schemes that define the structure of the data extracted by which model I am going to build. So I have entities such as people, relationships. You see the relationships, and also system and relationship that link them together. For example, collab with who is going to collaboration with which teams, who is responsible and who is reporting for the project. So by defining this schema, I ensure the output will always follow the same structure. So whatever or which text you are going to put, he can automatically detect and he can structure it, and then he is going to the my MVP is going to show what's the output is. Another important thing I put here, so it's like text cleaning functions. This small function clean the raw text input by removing extra space and also preparing it for the model. You can see easily. So simple cleaning, stripe white space and collapse multiple space new lines. And then I import the extract structure. So as I initially try to run Gemini and LangChain pipeline, but because in Gemini it have some problem with the free access, so I don't have those. So that's why it going to exit and it fall back. So that's why I need to build another things, and it's called fallback mechanism. So if it's fall, the AI can fall and the system detects if the text belong to the project, and also it's returning, and also it will start automatically to detect the text, and and it's going to run. So and this ensure that uh, the entire pipeline works regardless of API limits, which was an important creativity solution during this project. So this is the extraction and also the graph. And also I put for graph which is showing how it's going to show the project and everything. So its level and also NetworkX level, so it can plot show the relationship and also font size. So I put everything what I need to run this project. So let's dive into a simple text which, and we can see that my MVP is really works or not. So here is a simple text for a project. You can see Alice from HR department collabs with Bob from IT department on the project phonics, and Bob report to the IT manager. So the HR department work closely with IT department on onboarding process for new employees. It looks simple. So what my MVP is detect directly. So after giving the text, he extract entities like who is the person, who is the department. Like Alice is a person, HR is a department, Bob is also a person, and IT department and what the project is about. So it comes a structure way, and then the MVP model is showing the graph, and it's very simple. You can see like IT manager, he reports to Bob, and the Bob is collabs with Alice, and also what is the project about. So its project is phonics, and also IT department and HR department who is supporting who and who implement those project. So for a newcomer and also those who don't know what's going on, so rather than to read the text and see the things, if anyone see the graph, then he can easily understand what's going on and what's the project is about. And you can see like how simple is this one. Now we can go for a complex project, and the project I actually built for this MVP. So my text is like it's a little bit complicated. You can see I'm just going to show you. Okay, it's a project Aurora, it's company, it's Nexa Solutions. The project aims to modernize internal workflow, enhance customer experience, and also unify data source across uh, multiple departments. So you can see Emma, Liam, who is from IT department, product management, also the data engineering. The team is responsible for whom IT, customer experience. Emma reports to someone, Sophie, Noah. Also, they have some requirement like the product management team and also marketing team. Also they have some tight requirement and also collaboration with product, IT, and data, customer experience, and marketing teams. So you can easily get okay. It's getting complicated, and it's also tough to recall who is reporting whom and who is from who is department. So it's this project is like really complex. But the good news is for my MVP, what I build, he directly detect like okay, this is the project about, and who is the person, who is the company, what the project is about. Like project Aurora, the company is the Nexa Solutions, Emma, Liam, Sophie, and who is the department, who is the SIP. So you can see easily the MVP he detect everything, and then he turn it to a graph, simple graph. And anyone can, if anyone don't know anything and they can see the graph, then easily he can detect these things. Okay, this is the project about, and who is department, who is working, who is department, CTO, IT, data engineering, product, marketing team, and customer experience manager. So you can easily see that okay, you don't need to go for full text. You can easily see the graph, and you can easily understand okay, this is the project and this is project about, and those all people collabs with whom and everything. So my I would say my MVP works consistently for both simple structure for the Bob, and now it's for the project Aurora. This one is complicated, but it still it work more complicated way. If you put any text and then it can work. So except the fallback solution ensures reliability even without external API access. The diagram are clear and easily understandable for anyone, which supports better decision making. And anyone can paste a new text and immediately generate a project diagram. And I would say in the future, this could be turned into a streamlined application, or it can be integrated with real organization project documentations. So this project was a great learning experience for me. I explored different tools, build promotes, handle errors, create scams, design fallback logic. So it was as well as tough, but also it was a real fun. And also I can say this project is really helpful for those who have complexity about the project and don't have real understanding of this. So it shorten the time. It also helps to decide everyone, and it's minimize time as well, and it's also minimize the complexity of any project. So that's all. That was my journey, and from inspiration to building this MVP project. So thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it.